Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to upload to Threadless.com. First, you got to make an account, but after you make an account for Threadless.com, you're going to go to your dashboard. And to do that, all you have to do is go to the top right. You're going to click on your icon, and when you click on the icon, this menu screen comes up, and all you have to do is go to add a design. And I'm going to just click that right now. Alright, so once I'm at add a product, what you want to do is put in the product title of your design. So I'm just going to put the product title. Alright, so I put my product title. It's I'm a digital marketer. Every hour is happy hour. And then we're going to go to primary image. Once we go to primary image, all you have to do is drag in your file. So I'm going to drag in the file that I created, and you want to make sure the pixel size is correct. Okay, so I dragged in my primary image, so this is what it looks like. If you want to replace it, all you have to do is click replace file. Alright, so we're going to go to background color. We're going to click on the background color, and I'm going to click black, and I'm just going to leave it black. For mature content, I'm going to put no, because there's no mature content on this one. For this section, it says select products. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to look at all the products. So I'm going to look at the apparel, and I'm just going to choose which colors I want to do. So it says garment colors. So I chose black. I'm going to choose dark grays, and I'm just going to leave it at that. For men's, I'm going to choose select all because I want all of them. For women, I'm going to do select all. For kids, I will do select all as well. Okay, so once you're finished, you're going to go to the next one. It says home. And what I did already, I selected select all. You can just select none or select all. Or you can choose some of them and just select a specific product. And then I'm going to go to the next one. It says accessories. You can do select none or select all. I'm going to press select all for this one. And then pretty much you go to the next one. And it says add, cut, and sew t-shirts. And I'm not going to do this one. I'm just going to leave that blank. I'm going to go to the next one. It says add socks. You can drag in your file. I'm not going to do this one, but if you want to make a sock one, then you can drag in your file right here. And as you can see, it's pretty much asking the same thing. Here's the template if you want to use them. And then, yeah, I'm just going to go to the next one. Leggings, same thing. Add duffel bag. Same thing, there's a template right here, and add a backpack. So pretty much for the other ones, you do have to use their templates just to make sure that you got the correct design. But once you're done, you're going to click to I have the rights to sell product containing this artwork required. You're going to check this box, and you're going to press create products. Okay, so once the product is created, we're just going to go to manage your products right here. The title has already been filled out because I already filled it out. And then I'm just going to put my description. You can write a story, talk about the design, or anything you want about design. So I'm just going to put something simple. Alright, so once you filled out the product description, you go to the next one, product meta description, and I'm just going to leave this one blank. And then after that, you're going to go to causes and charities. You can put a charity right here, and you can also put collaborators right here. And the most important thing would be to actually put the tags. So I'm just going to put a few simple tags for this one. Okay, so once you're done, you're going to press save update. So once you press save updates, what you want to do is actually just check out your product. So if I scroll below, you can see all of the product that has been enabled. So there's a shirt right there. There's another women's shirt. There's apparel for kids. And if you want to add other products, you can do add to shop right here. And everything looks good. And this is how you upload to Threadless.com.